What's up, Miles? It's ladies and gentlemen here, and as you can see, I'm not in my usual office the last couple of days, and it's because I'm literally in the middle of the rainforest in Costa Rica on the highway. But I still have to make my videos no matter what, so you can be informed at all times to know the truth of the crypto market, what's happening with cryptocurrencies, and much more. And that is what we are going to be talking about in this video, and specifically, we're going to be talking about what is going on with cryptocurrencies right now, because today we saw a move to the downside. Cryptocurrencies are trying to move down, but I have some information regarding what cryptocurrencies are doing. Why are they going down? Are they going to go back up again? I'm going to be telling you exactly right now in just a few moments. So before we get into the video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. It really helps to support this channel and to get these videos out into the algorithm, and make sure you are subscribed with notifications on so you do not miss these time sensitive videos that will make you money and save you money in the crypto market. So here is the thing. Cryptocurrencies are sitting sideways. Yes, we've had a couple of red days, but the red days are literally like 1% and even less than 1%. And we saw a move to the downside today for most cryptocurrencies. But overall, the crypto market is sitting sideways. This is called a consolidation period. And this happens before a lot of volatility comes into the market, before a very big play happens. And this happens because we have a lot of fear, we have a lot of uncertainty, and right now we are approaching the last days of this year. And what happens typically at this period is that there is going to be some restructuring of portfolios. There is going to be people selling and taking their losses in the cryptocurrency market and in the stock market. There's not a lot of volume right now. It is still the holidays. There's not a lot of volatility right now. That's why we are still basically sitting sideways. So everything is sitting sideways. The past couple of weeks, cryptocurrencies have been pretty much sideways. We saw volatility when the Fed was speaking. We saw a lot of volatility with CPI, but after that, things have pretty much sold off. The stock market has sold off, and the stock market and the cryptocurrency market are dependent upon one thing, and that is the Fed's stance with monetary policy. Depending on how the Fed is reacting to inflation, whether they are aggressive towards inflation by raising interest rates aggressively, or whether they're going to start pivoting and slowing the interest rates raising, those two things right there are causing the volatility in the crypto market. Everything right now is riding upon the Fed, Jerome Powell, and his stance towards monetary policy. And it basically means what the Fed is doing to combat inflation and how they are currently responding to our current inflation, because inflation is coming down. And the market this summer, and we've had a couple of times where the market was moving up in a bullish way, the crypto market, the stock market as well. And this happened because people were anticipating inflation to come down and that the Fed would actually respond to bullish CPI, which shows inflation is coming down. And that did not happen. The Fed has continued to reiterate that despite we're having good CPI numbers showing inflation is coming down, they're not going to slow down their stance of raising rates aggressively. Not yet. And I think they are going to change their stance and pivot in the next couple of months. And that's what it all depends on. That's what the crypto market is dependent upon right now. Now we have CPI coming up in just literally less than 2 weeks. CPI, if we can get inflation to come down again a lot faster than what people are expecting, than what the analysts are expecting, this is going to have a strong bullish reaction in the crypto market, although it might be temporary. But depending on how fast inflation is coming down through the measure of CPI next week, or starting the next 2 weeks, I believe we can get a very strong bullish reaction in every single market. And this is what we're waiting for. We're waiting for inflation to come down fast. The Fed, all they want is inflation to come down to 2%, to reach their 2% target. And they will slow down raising rates when they see that inflation is getting close to that target. And I think the year 2023, we can hit that target. It's quite possible we can hit that target, and the markets are going to react way before it actually does, because we know cryptocurrencies have been crashing for one whole year straight. That's because traders were anticipating the Fed to raise rates. So they anticipated the market way in advance, 6 months in advance. And that's what's going to happen 6 months before the Fed pivots, before the Fed actually begins to start talking about pivoting, before anything about pivoting happens. The market is going to react way before it happens. And that's why we had a bullish reaction this summer. That's why we began to bounce up and to try to recover this summer. But guess what? It didn't happen. Recently tried to recover, but guess what? We got rejected because the Fed, they're continuing to be aggressive with raising of rates. So hang on, we are almost there. We are going to reach a bottom. We are going to bounce up. We are going to recover. It is just a matter of time. As soon as the Fed pivots, I promise you, the crypto market is going to recover. Now, make sure you are following all of my exact trades as a professional crypto day trader. I am making money even in a bear market, and so is my community. We're making massive profits. You can be a part of the massive trading community. All you have to do is join the Patreon. The link is down there below. And also, make sure you get the free trial over on algosniper.com. I created the most easy trading indicator in the world to use. You plug it in on TradingView. It tells you exactly when to buy and sell. I highly recommend it. It will pay for itself in the first week. But it's completely free. Go in the link in my video description to get immediate access. Also, make sure you are claiming your $30,000 deposit bonuses over on Bybit. All you have to do is open up an account using the link in my video description, deposit any amount of cryptocurrency for the first time, and you will qualify for these massive bonuses. If you are in the US, you will need to use a VPN. I also have a crypto school mentoring program for 1 whole year. If you are interested in learning how to be a professional crypto day trader, apply with the link in my video description. That's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for staying to the end. I will see you all tomorrow.